All right, welcome everybody to the Ladies Area. Seth Williams is one of our best presenters about accessory dwelling units.
Hey everybody, thank you. I'm so excited to be at this amazing event tonight. We're going to be talking about everything ADU, all the new laws, all the new opportunity, and I wish you were here to enjoy, but maybe next time. Thanks.
Well, how do they find your information?
Well, you can reach our company anytime, super simple, adugold.com, or you can call me directly, 213-784-4447, or my email, seth@adugold.com.
And then are you able to help anyone in any state or just California?
We're just in basically the Southern California area, yes.
Okay, and you've been in this business for a long time, so I know you're one of our real estate gurus. How long have you been doing this?
Well, I've been in the real estate business in the Los Angeles area for 35 years, and I've been in the real estate development business for over 18 years now, and I've been in the ADU business since the first laws came out in 2018.
Excellent. So obviously, you're the master in ADU. Make sure you check him out, Seth Williams. Seth Phillips, I'm sorry.
All right.
All right, have a great
Thank
day.
you. Thank you.